It's a little walkthrough on Pippin, Land & Moor's Mayfly 16 launch. This is an electric launch, electric EC controller there. Two sets of batteries either side of these seats here, so 4 batteries in total. Tiller steering and plenty of seating for friends and family. This is a delightful modern launch. The woodwork finish on it is beautiful. She has a copper coated hull under the waterline. As you can see, she's got a steel band which runs around underneath her, and the finish on her is spectacular. Really beautifully built launch. She's only just been launched last week. She was originally on outer water storage at Land & Moor's, and prior to that she's only had sort of a few trips down the river last year. She's a 2021 build. So the boat's lying here at NYA Horning. If you'd like to make an appointment to view her, feel free to give us a call.